nation,
every city, every town.
throw your worries down
And wear a joyful crown.
Let the sound of praise rise
Rise up, thunderous mighty roar.
from the mountains to the shore
Oh, we're asking for some more
of the goodness of our God.
the mercy He has shown.
Let His love be known. For the Lord is good,
His love
endures forever. His faithfulness is for all generations, ending never. So enter in with thanksgiving and come into His courts with praise for the rest of our days. In so many ways we are His people, the sheep of His pasture green,
the greatest King we've ever seen.
the holy go-between. For the Lord is good, oh,
Endures forever.
let's praise His name together. Worship the Lord with gladness, let a smile be on your face. In this holy place, let's run this blessed race. Come before Him with joyful songs, let a new sound now arise before our very eyes. Beneath the endless skies, leave your sadness at the door, leave your troubles all behind. The peace you're gonna find is for your heart and mind. This is a holy invitation to a party you can't miss, sealed with a holy kiss. For the Lord is good,
His love
endures
forever.
His faithfulness is for all generations, ending never. So enter in with thanksgiving and come into His courts with praise for the rest of our days. In so many ways we are His people, the sheep of His pasture green,
The greatest King we've ever seen.
the holy go-between. For the Lord is good,
Lord is good.
oh,
Lord endure forever.
let's praise His name together. Know that the Lord is God, the one and only true, for me and for you. His mercies ever new. He's the master of the universe, the creator of it all. He will hear us when we call, and He will catch us when we fall. There is no other power, there is no other name to fan the holy flame. He's always been the same. So let your heart be confident, let your spirit be assured. Your life has been secured. It is He who made us, and we are His. A treasure in His sight. His burden is so light, His future is so bright. We belong to Him completely, every single part. He has our heart, a brand new way to start. We are His people, we're the sheep of His pasture in His hand. Across this weary land, we've got to understand He's the shepherd who will guide us, the one who knows our soul and makes us whole. Shepherd who will guide us, the one who knows our soul and makes us enter His gates with thanksgiving, with a grateful, happy heart. Don't you ever stand apart from this holy work of art. Walk right in with gratitude for all the things He's done, the battles He has won through His only Son. Let thank you be the password that you're speaking at the door, and He will give you more of what He has in store. Come on into His presence now, don't hesitate or wait. Open up the gate. Come into His courts with praise. Let your voice be lifted high up to the sky, and you don't have to be shy. His name together.
For the Lord is good, forever His love endures.
Let's praise His name together.
For the Lord is good, forever His love endures.
From His love endures forever.
It will never fade away. At the closing of the day,
He'll always make a way. It's an everlasting covenant, a bond that cannot break. For goodness gracious sake, whatever it may take, He is a good, good Father. He's a good, good, holy friend. Until the very end. His faithfulness continues through all generations. Past a love that's built to last. The die has been cast, and all the ones to come, they'll know the story that we tell. 'Cause all is well, all is well.
He's the same God yesterday, today, and forevermore.
Yeah.
The one that we adore, He's opened up the door.
So stand upon this promise. Let your weary heart